Looking to upgrade your living room with a sofa that's stylish, spacious, and super comfortable? From cloud-like cushions to modular magic, 2025 is bringing some of the coziest, trendiest sofas for every space. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best sofas of 2025, perfect for lounging, entertaining, or transforming your home into a luxury haven. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump right in. Number 1. 108-inch Cloud Modular Sectional Couch. L-shaped. This 108-inch modular sectional features memory foam, an L-shaped design, a movable ottoman, and a deep seat. Upholstered in a cozy beige fabric, it's perfect for living rooms and bedrooms. This is the ultimate cloud couch experience. The deep seat and memory foam create a plush, sink-in comfort that rivals high-end designer sofas. The modular design means you can rearrange pieces to fit your space. The neutral beige tone fits almost any home style, and the movable ottoman makes it versatile whether you're lounging solo or hosting guests. Pros: deep seat comfort, memory foam cushioning, modular with ottoman flexibility, soft, neutral color. If you want a premium lounging experience with modular freedom, this Cloud Sectional is the top contender in 2025. Number 2. Oversized Cloud Modular Sectional Sofa, 110.2-inch. This oversized L-shaped modular sofa features wide and deep seats, metal frame support, and a matching ottoman. At 110 inches wide, it's made for ultimate relaxation. This couch is big, bold, and built for comfort. The wide seats allow you to sprawl out or cuddle up with a blanket and your favorite Netflix series. The sturdy metal frame adds to the durability, and despite its size, it feels surprisingly soft. It's the type of couch you can nap on and never want to get up from. Pros: oversized for maximum lounging, soft and deep seating, includes ottoman, sleek, minimalist look. For those looking to maximize space and comfort, this oversized cloud modular sofa delivers on all fronts. Number 3. Ihanherry 111.4-inch modular cloud sofa with ottoman, a 4-seater L-shaped sofa. This one features chenille fabric, a modular design, deep seat, pillows included, and a generous 111.4-inch width. Ideal for apartments and living rooms, the chenille upholstery is what sets this sofa apart. It's soft, textured, and luxurious to the touch. The modular sections are easy to rearrange and come together seamlessly. It's also surprisingly compact considering the width, so it works well in larger apartments. The pillows add a cozy aesthetic, and the firmness strikes a balance between support and softness. Pros: chenille fabric equals soft plus durable. Great for modern apartments. Deep and wide seating, includes pillows and ottoman. If you want a chic, cloud-like couch that works in both apartments and homes, the Ihanherry modular sofa is a great value for comfort and design. Number 4. DOPEDIO Modern Loveseat Sofa, 88.6-inch. This Loveseat style sofa features spring cushions, removable chenille covers, solid wood frame, and easy assembly, perfect for small spaces. While not a sectional, the DOPEDIO Loveseat shines in compact areas like apartments or home offices. The spring cushions offer just enough bounce without being too firm. Its easy assembly and low-maintenance cover make it great for renters. The beige color adds an elegant, clean look to any room. Pros: perfect for small spaces. Spring cushions equals firm comfort. Removable washable cover, easy to assemble. If you need a modern, space-saving sofa that doesn't sacrifice comfort, the DOPEDIO Loveseat is a practical and stylish choice. Number 5. 108-inch U-shaped modular cloud couch. A 108-inch U-shaped modular sofa with deep seats, linen upholstery, and a movable ottoman. Designed for large living rooms or family spaces. This U-shaped design offers wraparound comfort, ideal for big families or entertaining guests. The linen fabric feels breathable and comfortable year-round. The movable ottoman provides versatility. You can extend the lounge area or use it as a coffee table. Setup takes time, but once done, it's a statement piece. Pros: U-shape equals more seating, modular flexibility, deep seats for lounging, breathable linen material. If you have the space and want a centerpiece couch that's comfy and family-friendly, this U-shaped modular option is unbeatable. From deep seat cloud couches to compact love seats, These are the best sofas to transform your living space in 2025. Whether you're binge watching, reading, entertaining, or just napping, the right couch makes all the difference. Quick recap. Cloud Modular L-shaped, 108-inch. Best all-around comfort plus flexibility. Oversized Cloud Sofa, 110-inch. Best for big loungers. Ihanherry Modular Sofa, best fabric and style combo. DOPEDIO Loveseat, best for small spaces. U-shaped Modular Sofa, best for large families and gatherings. Product links are in the description below. Which sofa is your dream seat? Let us know in the comments. Hit like if this video helped you out, and don't forget to subscribe for more home upgrade ideas. Until next time, sit back, relax, and stay cozy.